Welcome back to Freezing Automotive. Today I'm cutting the spare tire spot out of my well. Because I'm a bit of a sissy, I've recruited an expert in the subject.
I'm the expert.
The expert at chopping cars up and putting them back together. This is my brother. He's been a bodyman for 5 years now. This is something he figured he'd be able to do. So
I was too scared to do it, so
I called him yesterday and I said it needs to happen and I'm terrified. So
here we are. Let's get cutting.
Let's do it.
So what I plan on doing here, I'm just cutting all the way around the top edge here, all the way through to the back side here, and we'll see how much of the trunk we take out, because we still need that space to fit the muffler in there. So I'm going to cut down low first, down here, and then we'll see how much back panel we need to take out. So mine down a little bit, got a little too carried away, a little happy over here, because there is a brace underneath the car that comes right here to the side of the strut towers and it holds onto the rear, what were those?
Rear control arms.
Rear control arms, yeah. So what we're going to do is just cut it here for now, and then afterwards we'll lift it up and then we'll cut it flush with the support, and then we should be able to cut, or we can even re-weld this, or we can leave the tub in, or we can cut it out later.
Well, we're going to cut it out and we're going to bend some bracing up because I've got a tube bender, and we'll make bracing for the rear end somehow.
Yeah.
All that work. Just
if only this was flipped upside down.
I know. I thought of that, but it hangs too low. All that just to fit Infinity G35 muffler. Whoops. Oops. So that's the goal, is to have it dual like that. So that should be quieter, and that looks pretty sweet. You're worse than me, dude.
Oh, it's hot in the Crocs.
No. God damn. Just put the mask on. And wear the gloves. Okay, I'll put up a flashlight and then you'll see. Here's the gloves.
Oh, I'm wearing Crocs, man. Shit's gonna fall in my toes.
Look how safe this is now.
Oh, we're better now. Here we go. Don't do that at home. Whatever I just did. I don't know why. Oh, I can see fine.
Yeah, if there's a light on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, a little bit further back. Hey, there you go.
Are you sure?
So, this is the end result with that muffler on there. We welded up some mounts, both sides. We've got our pipe back in here and then a turn. So we're just going to finish up getting this connected to over there, weld this in, and then we'll see what it looks like and sounds like. This is going to be the only RSX with a 350G muffler on the road. put it all back and put another exhaust back on. Well, how was I supposed to know that a 350Z muffler would be louder than a straight pipe Honda muffler? Who knew? Either way, Nissan, you played me. I thought it'd be quieter. That's my bad. I should have known better.
Sounds like a 350Z. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
People are gonna have no idea what motor this is.
They're gonna think we swapped the Nissan motor in it.
Anyways, if you enjoyed, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. See you guys next time.
Peace.
See ya.